Troopers, what is up? It's me, Darren, and you'll never believe where I'm at today. This is a vintage 1969 Airstream camper, and I'm going to show you the interior and tell you where I'm at. But first, I want you to do one thing. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's going to help YouTube promote this video more and show it to the people who need to see it and want to see it. And it also helps my channel out tremendously. I appreciate it so much, guys. And now, let's go check out this Airstream. So when you first walk in, you're going to see the bed right off the bat. This place has 2 beds. I think you could sleep, 4 people comfortably if they don't mind getting close together. This is the view of the window. We're just in back of someone's yard. And this in front of the bed is a little seating area, I suppose, to take a load off. And again, the view where I'm at. There's no table here actually to set up your stuff, but there is a TV tray, a tiny table. I brought some Diet Cokes and some other things that I thought I may need. But this is the drinks that are already here. I don't know if I'm going to drink their stuff or not, but it is a nice touch, right? I love that they had this little welcome sign out for me. It makes me feel so welcome. Here's the kitchen and sink area. As you see, nice little sink. You can do your dishwashing here. They keep it fully stocked with the pots and utensils that you may need. Let's check out this water pressure. That's always an important thing, I think. Oh, that's not bad. Not bad at all. This is the second sleeping area. Maybe only suitable for 1. I may have misspoken earlier. Check it out, it's a television. That way I won't be too bored around here for this night. They have a few fans as well to keep you cool. I bet some of you are wondering, what is the bathroom like in this tiny little vintage Airstream camper. So this is bed number 2, and here's the restroom right here, right behind it. It's got a nice little toilet here, and here's a mirror so you can wash your face and do whatever you need to do. Complimentary toilet paper, but I always travel with my own to places like this. Extra towels, guys. Here's the first aid kit. If an accident should befall me while I'm here, I will be pretty safe with this stuff. You know, imagine the taller people would have a difficult time if you wanted to take a shower here. Just to give you an idea, I'm around 5'8" or 5'7", and I can get in here and take a nice shower, guys. I think I could manage. I might as well show you the outside area as well. As you see, this is actually in a residential neighborhood. They have a picnic table set up, an outdoor table. Here's a barbecue pit. Doubt I'll be firing this up this weekend. Whew, it was hot in there. I turned off the AC and the little tiny fans to do this walkthrough for you, but now that you've seen it, now that you've seen the RV, the vintage 1969 Airstream, where do you think I am? This is actually in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. It's the Airbnb right by my house. I just thought it would be fun to get out here and show you something a little different. $70 a night. It's a little getaway. I hope you enjoyed seeing the interior of the Airstream, and I may post a little bit for you tomorrow or later tonight. I just wanted to make sure you saw it. Thank you so much for watching so far, and I'll see you in a bit. This is what the place looks like at night. It's pretty cozy out here. They have it all strung up with lights. Can't beat it, guys.